First, I'd like to welcome you to IET 302, our quality control course. And I hope you all are ready to take on another exciting semester. And hopefully by now, you got your course syllabus for this course, and through which you found answers to many of your queries. For example, the textbook for this course, lecture topics, then points and grade distribution, case studies, then midterm and final test. Now here I like to mention that I adopted a policy for course project that you need to choose the topic for your course project prior to midterm test. Anytime from now to midterm test, you are welcome to submit a 1 to 3 page write-up for your course the project topic. Once you send it to me, I will read through it and send comments on that topic, such as, is this topic a good one to continue to finish your project or not. And after that, you need to complete the project, and your final project is due on last day of the class. Now here, the course topic, we will cover briefly the importance of quality control, then total quality management, which stands the TQM, then fundamentals of statistics, control charts for variables, SPC techniques. Now SPC stands for statistical process control, and then we will cover the probability overview, control charts for attributes, process improvement with control charts, lot by lot acceptance sampling with attributes, reliability, Six Sigma for quality management and quality planning. And after that, if we have time, we will cover ISO 9000 and ISO 14000. Now first, the importance of quality topic, quality control. I'd like you to imagine a manufacturer running a production process without quality control function. So what we can expect from there, that those the defective items supposed to be reworked and scrapped and returned would dramatically increase, right? So here we can see that a manufacturing or a processing industry cannot function without quality control. And not only the manufacturing or the process industries, any consulting or service organizations, they always monitor the quality of their service. And there are three basic line of action to maintain the qualities, and those are: number one, the preventing the defects before it occurs; second, the discovering the problems early; and third, they catch the defects before a delivery. Now, what is quality? And many of you know, naturally, the quality, we can say that how good is the product, or the excellence, the degree of excellence. Sometimes we also mean different attributes of a product. For example, the fitness for a purpose, or deliverability, or even the price of the products. But there are some former definition by the researcher. There is one definition here, that quality is conformance to requirements or specifications. Now ISO 9000 to 2000, their definition: the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills the requirements. Now we like to touch upon the brief history of quality control. In early 19th century, the scientist Walter Schuhart introduces the statistical quality control concepts. And after the Second World War, the American Society of Quality formed, and from then the quality function came into practice widely. And 1950s and 60s, some other areas of quality control, such as the reliability engineering, experimental design, and statistical quality control developed. And after that, around 1970s and 80s, some of the foreign industries took upon this quality control as a challenge and dramatically increased their quality of the products. And one of the prior example is the Japan and their products. And after that, around 1980s, the United States took significant actions to improve their own quality and to compete the world market. So primarily around 1970s to 1980s, the most of the important quality concepts such as the total quality management emerged and come into practice. And then there are some awards to encourage the industries to adopt the quality control policies. The Malcolm Bridge National Quality Award established. And after that, around 1990s, the ISO 9000 certification has become popular, and companies wanted to achieve this certification by maintaining their quality designer quality aspects. And there are three major areas of quality control. One is the statistical process control, and that we will cover in this lecture. Then design of experiment, which we will not cover much in this course. And then another one is the acceptance sampling plan, and this topic we will cover in this course. So basically, among these three, we will elaborate on statistical process control and acceptance sampling plan. Now first, here the statistical process control, which we use to monitor the process, monitor a running process. We do not have to stop the process, so we are calling that using the statistical process control we can monitor or control the quality of the product while the system is running. And again, the design of experiment we will not explore too much in this topic, but it might cover some of these aspects. But we will cover the acceptance sampling plan. The acceptance sampling is the inspection and classification of a sample of products which we select randomly from a larger batch or lot. When a larger batch or lot comes or delivers, so before we accept or before we deliver, we need to take on randomly some of the parts from that batch and we test. Now we will know how many parts we have to take to judge that this entire batch or entire lot is a good or bad. So this is the science that we will learn. And there are two types of acceptance sampling planning. I just mentioned that one would be the outgoing before delivery, and another is incoming after we receive the product. Another aspects of quality control and improvement is the total quality management, which we will cover mostly on our next class. And this we mean by a company-wide quality control aspects, or in other words, it is total quality assurance. And this system integrates the Six Sigma aspects of it. So these we will cover in our forward lectures. Now there are some other activities that we do to maintain the quality, and those are the design quality, where we establish design so that it will conform our desirable cost and performance and maintain a standard of reliability for the product. Similarly, there are other activities we do. The material quality, and that involves the receiving of products. We need to receive the product, which should maintain a basic level of quality, and also it should be economical. And then another aspects of quality is the product and process control. And here in this course, our main focus would be to look into how we control quality of basically the process control quality, which involves the maintaining the production or source of production. Now, quality control activities has many different ways. If we look into here, that it starts from marketing and then goes down to the designing according to the requirements or demand of the customer. We design our products, then we procure the right products, and we design our own process, and then we maintain a quality production system. We do inspection and tests, and then we maintain again the quality packing and storage. And not only, we also maintain a quality service, that we want to give a quick service to the customer and desired and satisfactory service. So all these are different ingredients of quality management. Now, next couple of slides we elaborate some of these activities, what we mean by marketing and design, engineering, procurement, process design, production, inspection and test, packing and storage, inspection and test, and service. Now, this is the responsibility for the highest ranking officer to establish the quality control functions in his organizations, and this is a day-to-day affair that he should engage into supervisions of different activities, and he could establish some board of directors or the managers who should take care of these quality functions of a project or a manufacturing process. Nowadays, computer is integrated to our quality control system, and one of the benefit for using quality computers in our process control systems as well as the quality control system is that it can perform complex calculations and analyze data, a large set of data, in shorter times. So this is a great improvement in our quality control area, that computers are online integrated and we can readily change or adapt the data and improve the system readily while the process is on running. Now, there are a number of functions that we need to maintain to improve our quality, and those are the data collections, data analysis and reporting. And after we report, then we have to maintain the statistical analysis, and based on we control our process, and we test and inspections, and we lay down our system design. So here, using the computer in quality control area, we maintain the 6 functionality that begins with the data collections and ends the laying out a system design to improve the quality. Now, here we understand the benefit for using computers in quality control functions are there is no more time consuming or manual calculations, and therefore the calculations are